Welcome to watch our complete medium capacity soap production line. This 500 to 800 kilograms per hour automatic soap manufacturing line is specially designed for small and medium soap factories, which takes high quality soap noodles as the main raw material to produce finished toilet soap, bath soap and laundry soap. The whole production line includes a complete set of standard equipment: raw material mixing machine, soap refining machine, 3-roll grinding mill, soap plodder, automatic soap cutting machine and soap stamping printing machine. Every equipment is perfectly matched to ensure continuous, stable and high-efficiency soap production. First of all, we start from the raw material mixing process. Put soap noodles into the mixing machine, then add essence, color pigment, moisturizing agents and other functional additives. The professional mixing system stirs all materials evenly in a closed environment. It ensures every batch of soap raw materials with uniform color, consistent fragrance and stable basic texture, avoiding color difference and uneven taste of finished soap. After fully mixed, the soap material will be transported to the soap refining machine. The refining machine is the core equipment to improve soap quality. It fully kneads, squeezes and refines the soap base, removes internal air bubbles, separates impurities, and makes the loose soap materials become compact, fine and smooth soap base. This refining process greatly improves the hardness, density and surface smoothness of the soap, effectively preventing soap deformation, cracking and water melting during use. After fine refining, the soap base enters the 3-roll mill for secondary fine grinding. Through the precise rolling and grinding of 3 rollers at different speeds, the residual tiny particles in the soap base are completely eliminated. The soap texture becomes more delicate and uniform, and the surface gloss of the finished soap is significantly improved. This step guarantees high-grade appearance and comfortable. After grinding, the high-quality soap base is sent to the soap plodder. The plodder performs high-pressure extrusion to shape the soap base into continuous, neat and uniform long soap strips with stable density and regular shape. The whole extrusion process is automatic and continuous, with no breakage or deformation, greatly improving production efficiency. Then the automatic soap cutting machine works precisely. It cuts the continuous soap strips into standard soap bars with fixed length, fixed weight and unified specification. The cutting size can be adjusted freely according to customers' product requirements, meeting different sizes of toilet soap and laundry soap. The last procedure is logo printing and stamping by the soap printing machine. The equipment can stamp customized brand logos, patterns, characters and trademark information on the surface of soap bars clearly and beautifully. It helps manufacturers realize standardized finished product shaping and brand packaging, improving product grade and market competitiveness. This 5008 Oak GGH soap production line features compact structure, stable operation, low noise and easy maintenance. It is the most cost-effective automatic soap-making solution for medium-scale soap factory investment and production upgrading. If you are planning to build a soap factory or upgrade your existing production line, welcome to contact us for detailed technical parameters, factory layout and quotation. We provide professional one-stop solutions for soap manufacturing equipment. Looking forward to establishing long-term cooperation with you.